health officials in England are doing too little to encourage women to have smear tests. Joe's Cervical Cancer Trust says that over the past 5 years, there's been a 3% drop in the number of women having the checks, and that more than 1 million women didn't respond to the invitation last year. It also found that embarrassment about the procedure was putting people off. Smita Mundasad reports.
A smear of lipstick to encourage women not to ignore their smear tests. They're offered to women aged 25 to 64 to help prevent cervical cancer. Last year's campaign drew celebrity support, from the model Cara Delevingne to reality star Lauren Pope. And the charity behind it says this year the message has never been more important.
At the moment in England, for example, the numbers of women who are attending cervical screening is at a 19-year low. It's dropping across the UK. That's hugely concerning, because if that carries on, we're going to see more women diagnosed, we're going to sadly see more women passing away, and we just don't want that to happen.
The charity's latest survey suggests half of women aged 25 to 29 have put off getting a smear test. The reasons? More than a quarter said they were too embarrassed. A similar number said they were worried about pain, and almost 1 in 10 said they'd never had the test at all. NHS England says it's particularly worried about the fall in young women getting smears in the last few years, because that's been linked to a rise in women under 35 getting cervical cancer. It says it's working on projects to encourage more young women to take up the test. Smita Mundasad, BBC News.